All right, we got tons of that was easy. All right, now guys, we're on to our second video. And for those 10 or 15 of you guys who have some audio issues, don't worry, bear with it till the end. This is only a 2-minute video, and I'm going to go over what she says. But most of you guys are able to hear this, so we're going to go with this. Now, this is another one of our experts. There's Kevin King there on the left, and the one expert is on the right here, Alina. She's shown here, and she has had a hand in thousands of product launches through her service she runs, azrank.com, where she helps sellers run promotions to help them get to page 1. All right. So I asked her what her ninja tactic is for keyword research. So again, I'm going to show a video, guys. Most of you guys will be able to hear it, but just don't worry. In about 60 or about 120 seconds, I'm going to give you the recap for those few of you who aren't able to hear it. So here we go. Here is Alina's video.
Hello everyone, this is Alina from AZRank, and this is my keyword research method for 2020. Step 1. We take the main keyword or the name of the product and run a search after it on Amazon. We discover the top 5 best sellers for similar products. We do that by finding the lowest BSRs and make sure those 5 products are older than 90 days. This way we are sure they are out of the honeymoon period and finished their launches. We validate the results using X-Ray from Helium 10. Step 2. We copy-paste the titles of the 5 listings discovered at Step 1 into WordCounter.net. This tool gives you the number of times each word and combination of 2 and 3 words are repeated in a certain phrase. You can also use Frankenstein from Helium 10. It does something similar. We discovered the words and combination of 2 and 3 words which all of the 5 sellers have in their titles besides the main keyword. And because they sell the most, this means those titles are good, and those are the keywords we should have in our title too. Step 3. We go to Helium 10 and put those 5 ASINs into Cerebro. Apply different filters in order to discover the keywords that 3 or more of them, ideally would be all 5, are ranked high on, and use those to build the bullet point, description and part of the backend. Bradley has some great videos about what filters you can use for this. Step 4, which is the icing of the cake, by the way, I go to my community of USA buyers where I do the search find buy giveaways for ranking products on keywords. Those are normal people that use Amazon for their common purchases every day. They tell us what would be the specific words, phrases and American expression they would use if they search for that product on Amazon. How cool is that, right? This input is amazing because normal people very often use different words and phrases that we get from tools. We filter all of those, keep the best ones, including misspellings and Spanish words, in phrase form and use them to complete the backend of your listing. Search terms, subject matter, intended use, and the rest. I do that with scribbles.
Talked about. All right. So the first part there looks like more people. There's only like about 3 of you guys this time who couldn't watch the video, but most of you guys saw it. But just to make sure that you guys captured the main points there, you want to find the top 5 ASINs for a keyword, either using BSR check or using X-Ray from Helium 10. Okay. So she talked about that. And then what you do is you copy and paste the 5 titles from those ASINs into a tool like WordCounter or Frankenstein. By the way, I love the way she says Frankenstein, Frankenstein by Helium 10 to see what words are appearing the most in the title. So you guys understand that? So basically you take titles from your competition and then you want to see if there's any recurring phrases that multiple competitors are using because that obviously is working for them. All right. The next step that she went over is you put those 5 ASINs into Cerebro and find the higher ranked keywords, and you're going to put that into the bullets and the back end. And then the last thing, which was new to me, which is pretty cool, is use crowdsourcing. Like, she has a community of Amazon buyers already, so it's easy for her. But, maybe you guys could use friends and family or message groups or Facebook forums or whatever, and ask them what phrases they would use to search and find that product on Amazon. So basically, remember, you give them the image. You just give them an image of a product. Don't tell them what it's called or anything, and just say, hey, if this was the image in your head, you wanted to find this, what keyword would you search for? And usually whatever you think is not exactly what the majority of people think. So it's very, 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 very important to do this step. Okay, so that was 2 videos. We still have 2 more ninja hacks coming from our experts soon, and I saved the craziest one for last because that's the one that I can't include in the replay because it's too ridiculous for public consumption. So we got 2 more of those videos to go. Let's keep going here.